Jax from NACC Shelter in Norfolk, Virginia. He's a little over 10 years old. He's a big guy. He's got arthritis. I know he's old, but a lot of it also has to do with he's very overweight. I mean, he looks like he weighs 150 pounds. So we're going to take a walk on a nature pathway at Ridgely Manor today. He needs exercise. He needs to get out of the stress of the shelter. And his owners had him his whole life. They gave him up because they have a child they said is allergic to dogs. This shit really pisses me off. They've had this dog their whole life, and at 10 years old, they put him in a shelter, give him away, give him up. He, I'm sure he's sad, and I know he's sad, confused, scared. It really pisses me off. Most of the time you can do something about allergies. And I hear this all the time. Somebody's allergic, and I had a customer that had 2 dogs that she was very allergic to. And her doctor said either get a shot every 2 weeks or give up your dogs. And she said, well, that's not happening, giving up her dogs. So she got the shot. And I can give you more examples, but that's just one. You find a way. I was allergic to my dog, and I did not give him up. He died a year ago, and I got rashes, and it was itchy and miserable sometimes. But I found a solution. Not a complete solution, but a little bit of relief. Maybe there is sometimes an allergy that's that bad that you can't do anything about it, and maybe your throat will close up and you could die. But I think 99% of the time there's a solution to these allergies that people keep using that as an excuse, and the dogs suffer, and it's just really pissing me off. So we're going to get him out for a leisurely walk on a nice, calming nature pathway for him. Oh, I hear woodpeckers. But you don't care, right? You sniffing stuff? For an old guy with arthritis, he's going fast. He's excited. Last time I was here, there were no leaves on the trees, and it was only, I think, a couple weeks ago. Now everything's growing good because it's shady, not so hot, especially for him because he's fat. Easy does it. You got arthritis. Careful. Down the steps. Careful. All right, you want to see what's down here? Turtles and stuff? No? Yeah. Nice, huh? You see turtles? Yeah. All right, we're going to go around this way. Come on. Good boy. As long as he's not too hot, he can do it. We're going to do this whole nature pathway that's back here behind these houses at Ridgely Manor, and it's about 40 minutes, the whole thing. If he's okay, not having a hard time. Old fat man. The squirrel. There goes the squirrel. You don't care about squirrels, huh? Because you're tired and your squirrel day's over, huh? All right, you getting tired? Yeah, he's old. He's 10. He's very overweight. He's got arthritis. So probably just 30 minutes, not the 40, 45 minutes. He's getting tired. Poor guy. And his name is Jax, and he's at NACC shelter in Norfolk, Virginia. All right, we're going back now. We're going to get you some water, okay? Good boy. All right, here we go. Hang on. Get you some water. Right there. Here you go. Get some water. You want some more water? No, you want to step in it? All right, sit down. I'll get you some more, okay? There you go. Good boy. And his name is Jax. He's at NACC shelter in Norfolk, Virginia.